Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you how to reactivate Facebook page. If you have deactivated Facebook page and you want to reactivate Facebook page, so watch this video till end. So first of all open Facebook. Then go to menu, which is below. After that scroll down and click on settings and privacy. Then go to settings. Scroll down and click on pages. Then click on here and reactivate. Page successfully reactivate. If this video will help you, leave a like on the video and make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.